At our first class, we are going to learn all the pronouns. Pronombres. Pronombres. We are going to start with singular pronouns. Singular. Singular. So, take your pen, take your papers, a copybook, and let's get started. Okay, number one. I will be yo. 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 Like yo, but yo. Next one. You, singular. That means that you're my friend, and I am saying you, buddy. Tu. Tu. This is an accent that shows that without an accent, that would be a different word. So if we do not put an accent, tu will be your, like your friend. But with the accent, el acento in Spanish, el acento, this is you as my buddy. Yo, tú. Okay, next one. He will be el. I want to make L soft. Make it as soft as possible. Not L, but L. L. Yo, tú, él. Yo, tú, él. Also, I want to show you that we have an accent here as well. Without an accent, it would be a definite article there, like the cat. But with the accent, it's the pronoun he. Okay, let's repeat one more time. Yo, tú, él. Yo, tú, él. Close your eyes. Yo, tú, él. Yo, tú, él. Let's take the next one. Ella. Ella. Double L in the Spanish language is pronounced as y. And I'm going to teach you Castellano. Castellano is Spanish from Spain. So, if you want to learn Mexican Spanish or from Uruguay, that's not me, unfortunately, but I'm so happy to teach you Castellano because this is the language of passion. Yo, tú, él, ella, 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 she. We also have the word usted, usted. Okay, so first of all, I want to show you that I do not pronounce D in the end. I'm not saying usted. I'm saying usted. Usted. It's like th or t, but it's very soft. I do not press my lips together too much, nor my tongue. Usted. 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 I let the air flow through my mouth. Usted. Usted. So usted means you, but it's a different kind of you. It's when you refer to somebody who you respect. It's a polite form of you. This you is you buddy. This you is you professor. Okay? So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 words to learn. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted. One more time. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted. All together. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted. Well done. So now we are going to put it down. And I'm going to ask you, how do you say I? Yo. How do you say you? Tú or usted. Okay. How do you say she? Ella. How do you say he? Él. Well done. Well, now let's look at this again. Please visually remember the words. Now take a pen, take paper, and write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down 5 words. My advice is, if you want to remember something fast, first of all, remember how many words you need to learn. 5. Then remember what are they? Pronouns, pronombres. Okay? So, and then you close your eyes and you do yo, tú, él, ella, usted. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted. 3 times. But then you do it vice versa. Usted, ella, él, tú, yo. In this way, you can memorize it faster. And now plural forms. Plural, plural, plural. You know, guys, Spanish and English are so similar that if you speak English very well, you know half of the Spanish words. Pronombres, pronouns. Plural, plural. All right, let's get started. Well, first of all, I want you to look at the whiteboard and get to know the words. Try to read them. Okay, if you cannot read them, let's read them together. Okay, we start with the one that is we, you and I, okay? Nosotros, nosotras. So I used the red marker to show you the endings. This ending is a masculine ending. This ending is a feminine ending. What does that mean? That means that nosotros is we guys. I want to underline that in the Spanish language, we do not have a neutral form. All the subjects or people are either feminine or masculine. Okay? So we have either guys or girls. We do not have anything neutral, like in Russian, for example, or in German. So here we see 2 endings. The ending os shows that nosotros is we guys. The ending us shows that nosotras, we girls. But what if we have a company of girls and guys together? Even if we have 17 girls and only 2 guys, everybody becomes a guy. So in the company of female and male, we use this form, nosotros, nosotros. Put your lips front, nosotros, nosotros. Open your mouth on ah, nosotras, nosotras. So you can pronounce the words beautifully, okay? So nosotros, nosotras, that's we, you and I. The next one is you guys. So you, my friends, the same rule. Vosotros, vosotros, vosotras, vosotras. I want to underline that O is usually for guys and A is usually for girls, and the ending S shows that it's plural form because all these pronouns are plural. It's a group of people. Let's focus on the first letter, b, 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 b. Vosotros, vosotros. It's not a B, it's not V. Basically, you have to put your lips like you want to say B, but let the air flow through your mouth. B, 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 b. Make it very soft. B, b, b. Vosotros, vosotros, vosotros. Just slightly touch your lips together. Vosotros, vosotros. And then feminine, vosotras, vosotras. Again, if you have 1 million girls and 2 guys, everybody is vosotros. The pronoun they also has 2 variations. For guys or guys, girls, it's ellos, ellos, ellos. For just girls, ellas, ellas, ellas. And the last one is you, polite form, many professors, the friends you respect. So basically, maybe senior, elderly people. We use the word usted and make it plural. Ustedes, ustedes, ustedes. And the accent is here. Ustedes. Okay. Nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ustedes. Nosotras, vosotras, ellas, ustedes. Okay, now look at the whiteboard carefully. I'm going to ask you right now. Yes, we need to learn it right now. No questions asked. We are learning everything at the class because we are not writing the language. We are not reading the language. We are speaking the language. We are memorizing the words, okay? Are you with me? I hope you are. I can't hear you. You're keeping silent. Are you with me? Yes. Say yes. Okay. Now, you had your time to look at the whiteboard. How do you say we masculine? Nosotros. We feminine. Nosotras. You, like friend form, for masculine. Vosotros. Okay? You form for feminine. Vosotras. They masculine. Ellos. Very well. Good job. They feminine. Ellas. Well done. Okay? And then you, polite form for professors. Ustedes. Now we are going to have a little game. Now you see all the pronouns. Your task is to translate them. How do you translate this one? I. She. You, polite form plural. They, feminine. We, feminine. They, masculine form or masculine and feminine together. You as your friend. He. You, plural form masculine. You, singular form polite. So guys, I want you to review what we learned today. We learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 words. 10 words a day. It's 300 words a month. 300 words a month. 300 words a month. And you can do even more. So now let's look again at the pronouns. We have 2 columns, singular pronouns, singular, plural pronouns, plural, yo, tú, él, ella, usted. Nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Now, close your eyes all together. Let's start from the top till the bottom and then from the bottom to the top. Ready? Let's do it. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Good job! I give private classes. So you can text me at this number +1 323 910 7690 and you can ask for private classes for English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French and Portuguese. You can also send me an email, study@instalanguage.online. That's also my website, instalanguage.online, where you can find classes, flashcards, copybooks, books. I am building a language empire. I am inspiring every student that you can learn a new language fast. You can own the language. You can speak the language. You can enjoy the language. My name is Irina Movsesian. Welcome to my classes. I will make you speak the language, whether you want it or not. Bye!